Have your blending ambitions morphed into blending bewilderment?
Oh, what a mess.
Well, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to clean that blender with confidence. The kind that makes you want to stick your chest out. My friends, 2018 is here, and many of you have decided to clean up your diet and start eating healthier. Congratulations. Summer? It'll be here before you know it, and this year, you're bringing it strong. Who is that stud muffin? It's you! Look out, bachelors and bachelorettes, because this year you are back and better than ever. Many of you have decided to pull out that old dusty blender and give those nutritious smoothies another chance to attain your fitness goals. But you're going to need to clean up your little helper after each smoothie. That's where I come in, my friends. You don't want your blueberry smoothie to taste like salsa verde. And so today I'm going to show you how to clean your blender in 30 seconds or less. Rather than sticking your hand down inside and trying to get up around those blades, we can just fill it up about halfway with hot water, put a few drops of dish soap in there, turn it on high, and then rinse it out. Allow me to demonstrate. Here's our dirty blender. Let's fill this up halfway, or maybe 1/3 of the way here with hot water. Stick it on there. Get some dish soap, a few squirts. And run it on high. There we go, and then we just rinse it out. Now this process will work for any blender, whether it's a Ninja blender or a Magic Bullet. It doesn't matter. You can use this process every time to clean up. Just make sure you do this immediately after you finish using the blender so that you don't get anything stuck to it. Now if you did let it sit and it's giving you a hard time, just let it soak in hot water for 10-20 minutes, and then you can add you a 1/4 cup of vinegar to the process, and then you should be good to go. Also, if you have any spills or sticky stuff on the base, just take you a cloth, I prefer microfiber, dampen it with some dish soap, and then give it a good wipe down. Use a cleaning toothbrush for any part that you can't reach with the cloth, like that spinner right there. So the intro was just for fun, but in all seriousness, for those of you who are trying to eat healthier, maybe get in shape this year, best of luck to you, for real. My friends, you are incredible, you are beautiful, but now hopefully your blender will be just a little bit cleaner.